Want to create engaging PowerPoint animations that will amaze your audience? In this tutorial, we will show you how to design a creative split number animation effect that is not only easy to make but also incredibly impactful. Hello everyone. Today we are going to create a split number animation effect in PowerPoint that's perfect for intros, transitions or even countdowns. So, without wasting much time, let's start the video. First, add a text box to your slide and type number 1. Center it, change the font and increase the font size. Duplicate the number 3 times, select all and distribute them horizontally. Change the number, select all, then duplicate it, group them, then align center and ungroup them. Now, cut the number into 2 parts. Next, insert a rectangle, drag it, remove its outline and duplicate it. After that, select the number first and then rectangle. Go to Merge Shape and choose Subtract. Repeat this process to cut the rest of the numbers. Now, add horizontal guides to align your elements perfectly. Insert a picture from your device. Send it to the back. And fill the numbers with the color. Add outer shadow effect for the depth. Finally, add your main title. Here's where the magic happens. Duplicate the slide, shift the text box to the top, and divide the number and add subtitle here. Select the picture, right click, go to Format Picture, click on Size and increase the scale height to 20% and align it perfectly. Now, go to Transition, select Morph and duplicate the slide again. Add the first number to each other and divide the second number. Repeat this process to create 2 more slides. When you play the slideshow, you will see a seamless professional animation that is sure to impress. And there you have it, a stunning split number animation effect that's simple to create but looks incredibly professional. Use this for your next presentation and watch your audience reaction. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tricks. Hit the bell icon so you never miss the update. Thanks for watching. I will see you in next video.